everybody, welcome back to my channel If Everything, and in this video I'm going to give you information about food delivery work, which is self-employed work, and I will discuss about the benefits and challenges of this work. So let's start. So first of all, let's discuss about the benefits of this work. So first of all, this is self-employed work, it's not a job. So the good thing is this work is really very flexible, and first advantage is you need to download just one app before you start your work. You need to apply online, and once you apply online, you need to wait for a few days, and then they will do the document checks and your background check and everything. And once everything is done, you can download the app, and you can just log in with your username, and they will provide a password. So first time that password will work, and then you need to change the password. So after you log in, your work will be start. So first benefit is you can start anytime this work, and you can, means it's a login log out. Whenever you want to work, you can log in, work 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, as much as you want. Take a break, again you want to start, you can start, and then you can finish your work. So there is the really we can say flexible work. It's kind of a holiday. Whenever I am working, I worked more than 14 years in office, and then I was fed up. I was redundant last time in October 2020. I worked 3.5 years in a very reputed company, but then I have decided to not apply in any kind of office job. I said let's do something different. So I have started the self-employed work, and when I have started, believe me, I was really happy, because when I was working in office, I need to go at 7 o'clock or 7:30 sharp at office, and to change to buses and to come back, and it's like you are in one box for 8 hours and you can't move. But in this work, I'm starting sometimes at 7 o'clock early morning, sometimes at 12 o'clock afternoon. If it is busy, I am starting at evening. So it's really flexible job. That's the first benefit. Anytime log in, anytime log out. Second benefit is really good money. For one delivery, you will get £4, £5. Sometimes if it is good boost, you can even get £6 to £7. So there is a minimum minimum amount which you will get for the food delivery, plus there is a boost like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So you need to multiply that 1.1 with the minimum amount, and you will get whatever the sum of that amount you will get as a single food delivery. So if it is 1.4, 1.5, you will get £5, £6, £7 per delivery. So sometimes I'm earning £100 a day, sometimes I'm earning 70, sometimes 80, sometimes 60. If it is not busy, sometimes it's 50. But as I say, it's a good money. At least you can earn 450 or £500 a week easily if you work 7 days. Another good advantage is you can choose your own hours. As I say, you don't need to start with fixed hour. Yeah, if you have booked your slot, then you need to be on time. Otherwise, if you are working off slot, you don't need to log in at exact time. Slot means the company will give you minimum guarantee whether you will receive any invitation for the food delivery or not. So it's for the save money, but nobody are doing this, because once you do the book your slots, you have to go in any deliveries. If they will send you delivery which is 3 miles away from the restaurant, you have to go. So the main advantage of is choose your own hours. Whenever you want to start, you can start. Good money. Second thing is there is no responsibility. If, for example, if I am earning 2,500 a month in this food delivery job, so it's like 25,000 pounds a year annual. And if you are earning the same amount in office, you will have really huge responsibility to earn that money. In this work, it's like you need to go to the restaurant, pick up the food, put in your bag, go to the customer, deliver the food, complete the delivery, job done. Even sometimes if you have any kind of mechanical big breakdown in your bike or anything, you don't need to worry. You just need to contact the customer service, and you need to explain them that this happened. I am returning the food to the customer, to the shop, and I am not able to do any further delivery until I will not sort it out this mechanical breakdown problem in my vehicle. So there is no responsibility at all. As I say, if you see few people are working in office, they are earning money, but they have huge amount of responsibility. Well, so in this work, it's hassle free. It's you are the boss of your own time. You need to pay tax yourself. Even there is you need to generate the UTR code to pay your yearly tax. So that is also benefit. If you have good CA, you can save your huge amount in tax as well. So these are the benefits of this work, and I think everybody wants to work like this only. Like it's like anytime go, anytime come back, and you are the boss of your own time. You don't want too much responsibility on your head to earn little amount of money. And it's like vacation, even if you want to go for holiday, you don't need to inform anybody. So you can go for 1 week, 2 weeks without telling anybody that I am going for holiday, except if you are going for long time, then there is certain process you need to follow. So these are the advantage of this work, self-employed work, food delivery. Now let's see the challenges of this work. So first thing is, it depends on the vehicle, which vehicle you are using. You can use either a car or a motorbike or bike. Now if you are using bike, means push bike, cycle or electric bike or motorbike, you need lots and lots of equipments. Like you need gloves, you need a winter cap, you need lots of winter clothes, you need rain the cover like a jacket, you need mobile protector cover in, because in rain if you are working you need to protect your phone as well. So if you are working for bike or motorbike, the first thing which is hassle, which is challenge, is lots of equipment you need. If you forget one of them, any one of them equipment, you need to go back and you need to take it from home, and again you need to start. So that's the first challenge. Second challenge is extreme weather situation. If it is very cold, it's raining too much. Now the thing is, the nature of this work is, if when it is extreme weather, it is more busy, and it's absolutely logical because nobody wants to go out and collect their food. So everybody wants to deliver their food by the food delivery driver. So in extreme weather you have to work. There is no excuse. If you think, oh, it's -2 degree outside, how do I will work in motorbike or a cycle, then you are not able to do this work. It's not for you. So extreme weather condition, in that you have to work, and you to and as I say, really good money is there at that time only, because the company will give you good boost, because they wants to respect your hard work, that okay, you are working in this kind of situation, so we need to give more boost. So extreme weather condition, you need lots of equipments. Now if you are working in car, then you have another issue, is parking issue. So in any town in England, as you know, parking is always issue. There are lots of this ticket people are roaming around, and they will give you ticket straight away, and one ticket you need to pay 35 pounds. So if you are working in car, this is really big problem. I don't think there is any solution. You have to check your car again and again if you have not parked at the right place, and most of the restaurants are like that only, that there is no proper parking available. So if you will park anywhere, you need to go into restaurant, you need to go to your car, you need to check, otherwise you will earn 5 pounds and then you need to pay 35 pounds. So parking is really big issue for this work. And the second thing is lots of waiting time in restaurants. Sometimes when, for example, in Christmas times, takeaway people are lots of there on at the same restaurant, so they give first preference to the people who are in restaurant for takeaway, because if I am working for Just Eat, and if someone deliver food, order food from Just Eat, then they need to pay some of the percentage of food to the Just Eat. So to get 100% profit, what they prefer is, obviously they prefer to deliver food to the takeaway people first. So sometimes if restaurant is very busy, you need to wait for 20 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes. There is no time limit. So they will tell you straight away. The good thing is most of the restaurants are people are really good. They will tell you that it will take long time. If you don't want to process this order, you can cancel after 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it's your right. You are able to cancel the delivery if you don't want to wait more than 5 minutes, and then you can move on another delivery. But it is really difficult to work like that because in all the restaurants is very busy, and most of the times you need to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So the temper of your mind, you need to be very calm. I see there are lots of drivers, even myself sometimes. When I fed up, I just start telling them that please give us right time when we are here. Don't tell half an hour after you gave us 10 minutes time, which is logical. If it is gonna take time, if they will tell you straight away that it will take half an hour, you can decide. So these kind of things happen. So if you will not maintain good relation with the restaurant people, then next time when you will go again, you might have the same issue. So as I said, lots of equipment, parking issue, waiting time at restaurant, technical problems. So we all are working through the mobile app, and we need mobile app and we need the GPS to find the location of customer. If one of them is not working, you can't work. You need to sit down and you need to wait to resolve that technical issue. Sometimes it happens is that customer, more than so many customers order at a time, and then server is not able to process the request, and everybody are in queue, and then it's hang. The whole app is hang. Then you need to wait because it's keep loading, and until and unless it will not clear everything, you are not able to see the address of customer, or you are not able to complete the delivery, and it will waste your time. That and the last one is troubling to contact the customer. Sometimes you have pick up the food, put in your bag, you are on time on customer's house or resident or flat. You are trying to contact once, twice, three times, but customer is not picking up the call. Then you need to contact the customer service. Customer service will again try to contact the client. If then also customer is not receiving the call, then they will give you the return job, and they will pay you for that return job as well. So these are the challenges which are little bit hassle. But as I say, the good thing is I like this work, and everybody wants to do this work, I know, because this is like a dream work, because you are earning money and you are free. Like, you don't need to stay at one place only. Whenever you want to go home, you can go home. Whenever you want to start, you can start. For example, I went today and it was not that busy and it was cold and boost was not good, so I said let's go back home, make one video, and once I finish video I'll go back. Now once I will upload this video, after that I will go for work for 2-3 hours and I'll earn 30-40 pounds. We'll see. So that's it. I hope this information is really useful for you. I made this video only for those people who wants to work in food delivery and self-employed work. uh, I have already give the link in my last video, that how to apply for the food delivery work. So you can apply through that link, and I'll try to give that link again below the description to apply for this work. So do not forget to share, subscribe and like if you think this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much.